Greetings to you, dear clients and subscribers. This is the ISON company. In this video, we will review the ISON IP50EL IP Wi-Fi surveillance camera. We have already had a review of a similar surveillance camera, only in a cylindrical design, the ISON IP50EL-P model. This model is absolutely the same. It has the same specifications, only the design here is dome-shaped. Let's start by removing the protective film so it doesn't distract us. So, the most important question. What is the difference between dome surveillance cameras and cylindrical ones? If we take the same models, such as the ISON IP50EL-P and ISON IP50L, they differ only in design. Dome cameras are most often installed indoors, although this is not a rule. This model is outdoor and universal. It can be used both indoors and outdoors. Cylindrical cameras are most often installed outdoors. Again, this is not a rule. Some people prefer designer cylindrical surveillance cameras to be placed indoors. In all other respects, they are absolutely identical. It is also often asked whether the camera can be mounted to the ceiling like this or only to the wall. It can be mounted to both the ceiling and the wall. So this dome in the middle rotates, and you can direct it wherever you want. In terms of installation, this surveillance camera is no different from a regular cylindrical one. There is also a misconception that dome surveillance cameras have a wider field of view than cylindrical ones. No, they are absolutely no different. Here, the same lens with the same field of view is used. The camera has a 2.2-meter lens, so the field of view combined with this sensor is 120 degrees. The camera is 5 megapixels 2K. There is also a more budget-friendly version with 4 megapixels, which is 20% worse in terms of image quality. We have detailed all the characteristics and functions in our review of the ISON IP50EL-P surveillance camera. I repeat, this camera is exactly the same. It's just a matter of the casing. Some may want to install round dome cameras at their site, and this option is available with this model. There is a button like this. We press it to remove this base. You attach this base to the wall or ceiling, and the camera itself is mounted on this base. If you have any questions about this surveillance camera, ask our managers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new videos.